I'm going to show you a cheat in GTA 5. So I have a tow truck in here. I'm going to get the tow truck. So you're going to need a tow truck for the cheat. The hook's missing. So that car back there, I'm going to set you down for a quick second. You're going to want to hook up the car. Okay, so the car's hooked up. And then you're going to No. Oh crap, I got cops on me here. See if I can do this. So you're just gonna drive into your garage with this car hooked up. You're gonna hit enter garage. Oh. Enter garage with that with the Porsche. That's what we're gonna call this, is the Porsche. And as you can see, you're only supposed to fit 4 cars. I don't know. I can't count, but I see. Hang on here. I gotta adjust my camera. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars in here. 5 cars. They lied, motherfuckers.